I'm going to be showing you a funnel builder for beginners with built-in templates. If you don't know me, I'm the real Robin Williams. Welcome to this video. And before I begin, I'm going to give you a quick gift that I wish I had when I started looking for funnel builders like you are right now. At the top of the description of this video, you'll find a link to this page or a page that looks just like it. And it's titled Avoid These 9 Costly Funnel Builder Mistakes That Can Kill Your Business Even Before You Ever Start. It's pretty gold, and you'll be able to put your name, email. Mobile is optional, and it'll email you over this report that I created myself. Some of the top things that I believe you definitely want to look at before purchasing a funnel builder. And for me to get into this funnel builder real quick, I'm going to quickly go over some of the things that's going to be provided to you, as well as the tool and the templates, but also get some live coaching with this funnel builder, as well as a lot of support. You have step-by-step training on how to use the tool. You also have Sage here, which is AI. You can ask questions and it can direct you to the right place to go. You also have the Facebook as a means of getting support, and as well as an email for support. So the company has a support email that you can utilize as well. So all of the training, all of the support is here, no doubt about it. But let's get to the tool. So in this tool, once you come to the tool, I'm not going to get into how to use it, but essentially when you come in here, you'll hit the first page of your funnel builder and you'll be able to design your page and all types of stuff from right here. But I want to take you to the template section, since that's what you're looking for, and this will help you build your pages faster, build your pages with less skills and things like that. So I simply come over here and click on my funnels, and at the bottom I'm able to add a new step, add a page, and you can start looking through the templates. The way the templates are organized right now, you can pretty much look at the opt-in pages here. If you know anything about how the pages are built out, you'll understand that opt-in pages are essentially one of the first pages of your funnel. And because of that, we have that at the top. So you can look through here to see which type of opt-in pages you want. You also have the thank you pages, where you can come in here and create a thank you page to go to your opt-in page or a handshake page. You also have other miscellaneous templates like your terms and privacy pages. You have your contact about us pages, links pages if you want to do that. You also have templates for entire membership sites inside of the system. I'll just click there real quick so that you can see it. So the templates are here. One of my favorite sections that Matthew Martin did in our community, he did the template club. So you click here and you have professionally done templates that you can check out for your business. And how you add it is super simple. Say for instance, you're ready to check out a particular page to see if it's something that you want to utilize. You can click on preview. That page will come up for you to preview. If you're like, oh, I want to use this page, you'll hit select, and then you'll have to give it a name. Delete me later on, because I think I got a delete me later page already. This will tell me to delete my page. And basically right here we have our template that you can edit to whatever you want. So you can say awesome, or you rock. There you go. And you can edit that stuff. All of the text is super simple to edit. If you wanted to change the colors, all of that stuff, the spacings is very simple. Let's just change it to blue, right? All of that stuff is simple. Even though you can add the templates very easily and the templates are well done, you can add your own customization, or you could just edit the text and leave the colors like it is if you want. The pictures, I don't think I have a good picture to replace this with, because this is made for a long picture right here, vertical picture. But basically you can click here if you want to edit that picture as well. And this here is actually a picture in the column, so it's like a background picture. So in this particular case, I will come here to edit that picture if I wanted to. I don't have a good picture to replace it with right now, but you can upload it to the system. So a whole bunch of stuff that you can do with this. This is an advanced funnel builder, but it's an easy to use funnel builder. So meaning you can do some advanced things, but they're easy to do. And you also have step-by-step training inside of the system here. So let me just go through and show you some more templates really quick. All right, so we have the book giveaways. So basically you can replace this with any type of giveaways or opt-in pages that you want. You can do that. So if you preview this, nicely done pages, very sleek looking. And then you also have sales and product pages. Let's just look at a couple of these. Here's one here. If you have something that fit this page, you can go ahead and recreate that. Remember, everything is customizable. Change the colors, pictures, all of that good stuff. You can preview this, right? Very good templates. And in case you're wondering, if you're like, oh, I want health templates, or I want fitness templates, or maybe you're in life coaching or something like that, these templates fit any of those niches. You just change out the pictures and change out the text, right? So you change it with your own copy and you change it with your own picture. It's extremely simple. I absolutely love this one. Here's the order checkout templates. So the templates are absolutely here. Local business pages. Preview this one. This is actually a niche specific page. So it's a good example of what I was saying. So right now it's lawn care. So if somebody actually had lawn care business, this will fit perfectly. But if you don't, maybe you're in real estate or in a different niche, all you have to do is swap these pictures out to make it congruent to whatever you're selling. So that's all I have for the templates. I definitely recommend this easy to use a funnel builder. And if you want to get started, all you have to do is click on the link at the top of the description of this video. You'll be able to watch a video and read the page if you want to see if this builder is right for you. Once you're done there, you can also click on the checkout page using one of the green buttons, and on that checkout page you'll have the regular checkout stuff like your name and credit card information. But I want you to make sure that if you need help marketing your business, online marketing these pages, once you have your website up and running, you definitely want to check out this 14-day free trial. This will help you market your business. It'll help you get traffic and convert those traffic or that traffic into sales, and I definitely recommend that you get it. So hopefully you saw the value in this funnel builder, and I'll see you on the top. Peace.